Hello everyone, this is Sonam Thakur here. Today I am going to explain the various DML commands that you can perform on a specific table of a MySQL. Let's start. First of all, write down the password of a MySQL, press enter key. Here the MySQL prompt will be visible. If you want to know the existing database that you created earlier, then you can use here the show databases command to see the list of databases that is created before. Now write down here show databases, okay, semicolon, press enter key. Here, okay, spelling mistake here, show databases. See the dano, employee, firm, Cbse, they all are the database name. Yesterday I explained the one table that I created. Its name is here my data. So to access a particular database, you can use the use command and then database name my data, semicolon, press enter. Database change message will appear here, is appearing here. Okay, now you entered in the particular database, that is the name, that name is my data. Okay, now let's begin with the various DML command that you can perform on the database. I explained the insert into command and select command. How can you perform the select and insert into command on the particular table in my previous video. I will give the link in this video's description. You can also watch that video from here. Now let's start with the table that we created in my earlier video. Let's see which table I created. Okay, to see the list of tables in a particular database, we use a show tables command. Okay, which command? Show tables. Write down semicolon here, emp. I created yesterday a emp table. Okay, now from emp table we perform the one DML command, that is the insert into command. Okay, now we use the select command also. If you want to view the structure of the table, then which command you use? You have to use a desk table name. What is the table name? emp, semicolon, enter. Here you can see the structure of the table employee. When you created the table, what data type you given, what is the size of the particular column, is there any primary key, is there any constraint on a particular column. You can all these things you can see from this command, this structure. Okay, for that you have to perform the one query, that is the desk table name. Here the table name is a emp. Okay, now we are going to see the what are the records that we entered here. Though to see the records that is entered in that specific table, we can use a select command that is used to display the records in a table. Write down select star asterisk sign from is the keyword and table name. Table name is a emp, semicolon. Here we inserted the one record in a table. If you want to insert the another record in a table, you can also again use here the insert into command. Let's see, insert into table name. Table name is a emp, then again values, then bracket. First record is our first column is a emp, that is the varchar 5. This data type is a varchar 5, so we have to enclose it in a single quote or a double quote. Here we use a E102 enclosed over single quote over comma, then name, employee name. You can give any name here, Rajiv, semicolon, single quotes over here again. Then our next column is a salary. It is a integer data type. You can write down here anything, any whole number. Now Date data type, all value is always enclosed in a single or double quotes, remember it. So here the format of the date must be a you can see here y 4 times, then dash, then number of months, 2 digits of months, then dash, then dd. Okay, that is the by default format of a date data type. So when you are going to write the date value of a specific column, then you should follow these format of a date data type. Okay, now you can write the month, number, name of year, then the month, then date. Okay, 12. Okay, then single quote over, parenthesis over, values में हमने जो यहाँ पे parenthesis start किया था, here the parenthesis will be a closed. Okay, now semicolon, then enter. Okay, now the message will appear here, query okay, one row affected. Okay, now if you want to see again the number of records in the table, you can use a select command that we used earlier. Here, enter. You can see here 2 records are there, E101 and E102 that we added here. Okay, now if you want to modify any record, that is existing record that is already entered in a table. Suppose you want to edit the salary of a Rahul 20,000 to of 10,000, then which command you have to use? You have to use a updation command, that is the update command. Let's see, update table name emp, set is a keyword, and which column you want to edit? Salary equal to sign and new value is a 10,000. Okay, now where if you want, when you have to use a where, when there is a you want to update in a specific record, then you have to use a वेयर क्लॉज. ओके, जब आपको यानी मतलब किसी एक स्पेसिफिक रेंज में या एक स्पेसिफिक रिकॉर्ड में ही चेंजेस करने होते हैं, तभी हम वेयर क्लॉज का यूज़ करते हैं. अदरवाइज हम वेयर कंडीशन को, वेयर जो क्लॉज है उसे यहाँ पे स्किप करते हैं. स्किप कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, जो भी हमने सैलरी में वैल्यू एडिट की है तो उस पर्टिकुलर सैलरी कॉलम में सारी वैल्यू, जितने भी नंबर ऑफ रोज होंगे, उस कॉलम की सारी वैल्यूज़ उस न्यू वैल्यू से अपडेट हो जाएंगी. ठीक है ना. तो इसीलिए हमें जब ऐसा कहा गया हो कि किसी स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन के थ्रू हमें अगर रिकॉर्ड को अपडेट करने के लिए कहा जाता है, तो हम वेयर कंडीशन के अंदर, वेयर क्लॉज के अंदर वो कंडीशन लिखते हैं. सपोज हमें कहा गया है कि राहुल जिनका नाम है या फिर एम्प्लॉय नंबर जिनका 101 है, उन्हीं का रिकॉर्ड आपको, उन्हीं की सैलरी आपको 20 से 10,000 करनी है. तो हियर वी यूज EMPNO इक्वल टू E101. Okay, closed over, semicolon, enter. See, query okay, one row affected. Now we again see the updation. Here you can see here E101 new updated value is a 10,000. Okay, so students, that's here you can change you can update the records of a specific table. Okay, now if you want to delete some records from the table, then which command you have to use? If you want to delete it, then deletion command, that is the delete command. Write down delete from table name is a EMP. If you want to delete a specific record, then specific record is what our specific record is a, if you want to delete the E102, then write again a where clause for condition, then EMPNO, the particular column name, then value E102, then semicolon, enter. One row affected. Let's see the output, affected or not. See, you can see here in the table E102, the records E102 got deleted. Okay, now this is the way you can perform the various DML operation like select, insert into, update and delete command. If you want to delete all the records from the table, then you can use a delete from table, then from table, but here the where condition you cannot, you should skip here, EMP semicolon, enter. See, select star from emp empty set. Here in this table that much जितने भी record इसके अंदर available होंगे, all the records get deleted. Okay, so if you omit the where clause in the delete query or update query, then it will affect in all the rows of the table. Okay, so students, these are the, in this video we learned the various DML command with one example, one table example. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.